Rivet, welcome to Canada. This is Rivet's first jump in Canada. We'll see how that goes. This is your coach, Freakfly. I'm here with Rivet. How's it going, Rivet? How you feeling? So what's gonna happen out there? Good stuff.
I see you, my friend, and touch your face again. Miracles will happen as we dream. But we're never gonna survive unless we get a little crazy. No, we're never gonna survive unless we are a little crazy. Other people walking through my head. One of them's got a gun to shoot the other one. And yet together they were friends at school. Will happen as we speak. But we're never gonna survive unless we get a little crazy. No, we're never gonna survive unless we are a little. Just confess your girl admits that we the shit. F-R-E-S-H, we fresh. D-E-F, that's right, we definite. B-E-P, we reppin' it. So, turn me up, turn me up, turn me up. Come on, baby, just pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. And side, yo, yo. Turn up the radio. Check this out right here. Dude wanna hate on us. Dude need to ease on up. Dude that's the speed, that's what we do, that's what we be. B-L-A-C-K-E-Y-E-D-D to the E, then the A to the S. When we play, you shake your ass. Shake it, girl. Make sure you don't break it, girl. Sweet, turn it up. Turn it up. Come on, baby, just pump it. Pump it. For the eye from the fill, I feels live and direct, rocking this scene. Breaking on down for the b-boys and b-girls, we're in it, do they
You
think?
made it!
Louder, come on, don't stop, and keep
stop.
it going, do it. Let's get
First
it,
jump in
come on,
Canada.
move it.
Nice up drops and landing.
It was nice, it was nice view, everything was great.
Awesome.
I was sitting for 2 seconds.
Right on. Good times. Thank you.
Bye.
Pleasure. Woohoo!